Hi, I'm Hope from Hope Embroidery, and today I'll be showing you how to stitch these fluffy thistle flowers. Start by wrapping 6 strands of floss around 1 or 2 fingers around 10 to 15 times, depending on how thick you want the fluffy part of your flower to be. I find that it's easier to fluff out later if you separate the strands and then bring them back together before you start wrapping. Next, grab a short strand of floss and bring it through the middle of the loop you just made, securing it with a knot. You'll want to have a tail on both ends of this floss as you'll eventually be threading each end. Now bring one of these tails through your fabric wherever you want the base of your flower to be. Now thread the other end and bring it down just next to your first stitch. Then you're going to flip your hoop over and secure the two tails together with a knot. Using whatever color of floss you prefer for your base, bring your needle up through your fabric wherever you want the top part of your base to start and couch the loop down to your fabric with the straight stitch. Keep creating straight stitches across that loop until the loop color, in this case blue, is completely covered by the base color, in this case green. You can use your fingers to help guide your floss where it needs to go and gently move the floss up or down if it gets pulled too tightly and moves out of place. Once you're finished stitching your base, you get to start trimming your loop. I like to use a long, thin pair of embroidery scissors for this part, but you can use whatever scissors you have available. Now, this is usually where I'd also start fluffing the floss out, but because I separated my strands before creating my loop, I get to skip that step. Having a bit of tape nearby can help with any leftover bits of cut floss sticking to your fabric as you trim. And that's about it. The rest of the process is just trimming until you get your flower just right and adding a stem to your flower if you want. You can use any stitch you want for the stem. I'll be using a simple straight stitch for mine. And make sure to visit my blog at hopebroidery.com for more beginner-friendly embroidery tutorials like this. I'll leave a link to that in the description of this video.